Good morning, teacher and my beloved friend. My name is Chong Ya-en. Number matric is 284658 from Group A. Today, I'm going to present topic about Introduction to Mathematical Economics. The first question, 1a, is to determine where the function x cubed minus 6x squared plus 18x minus 15 is concave upward and where it is concave downward. Step 1, we need to differentiate using the power rule. The first derivative of function is 3x squared minus 12x plus 18. After that, we need to find the second derivative of function to determine the function is concave upward or downward. So we will get 6x minus 12. Step 2, let second derivative of function equals to 0 to find the interval. So 6x minus 12 equal 0. Negative 12 move to right side, so become positive 12. 6 move to right side, so 12 divided by 6 and x equal to 2. Therefore, the interval is negative infinity to 2 and 2 to positive infinity. Step 3. Identify where concave upward and where it is concave downward. In this step, we need to use test number in the interval, which number also can, but the condition is marked in the interval. So I choose negative 2 as test number for the interval negative infinity to 2. 6 times negative 2 minus 12 equal to negative 24. After that, I choose 3 as test number for interval 2 to positive infinity. So 6 times 3 equal 12 equal to 6. Step 4, determine concave upward and downward. The rule of concave upward is second derivative of function is greater than 0, and the rule of concave downward is second derivative of function less than 0. So we can write the answer like this. Since second derivative of function greater than 0 for each value of x on interval 2 to positive infinity, then f is concave upward on interval 2 to positive infinity. Next, since second derivative of function less than 0 for each value of x on interval negative infinity to 2, then f is concave downward on interval negative infinity to 2. Let's go to the question 1b. Okay, suppose that the cost function for a manufacturer is given by 0.000001 x cubed minus 0.003 x squared plus 5x plus 1000. Describe the behavior of the budgeted cost function. Under 1b have two questions, find them. So the first question is find the marginal cost function. Before answer the question, we must know marginal cost is defined to be first derivative. The first derivative of cost function is 0.000003x squared minus 0.006x plus 5. The second question of 1b is describe the behavior of the marginal cost function, whether concave upward or concave downward. Prove your answer. This process of answering the 1a question is the same. Step 1, find the second derivative of cost function. The answer is 0.000006x minus 0.006. Next, let second derivative of cost function equals to 0 to find the interval. You will get the interval negative infinity to 1000 and 1000 to positive infinity. Thirdly, identify where concave upward and downward. Use the test number 800 in the interval negative infinity to 1000. You will get negative 3 over 2500. For the interval 1000 to positive infinity, I use 1500 as the test number. So you will get 3 over 1000. Last step, determine concave upward and downward. So we can write the answer like this. Since second derivative of cost function is greater than 0 for each value of x on the interval 1000 to positive infinity, then f is concave upward on interval 1000 to positive infinity. Since second derivative of cost function is less than 0 for each value of x on the interval negative infinity to 1000, then f is concave downward on interval negative infinity to 1000. Question 1c. A company has established that the revenue function in Ringgit Malaysia is 2x cubed plus 40x squared plus 8x And the cost function in Ringgit Malaysia is 3x cubed plus 19x squared plus 80x minus 800. There are two questions under 1C. First question, find the level of production that will yield a maximum profit for the company. Step 1, find the profit function Px. We use revenue function minus cost function to get profit function. So the profit function is negative x cubed plus 21x squared minus 72x plus 800. Step 2, find the first derivative of profit function using the power rule. The answer is negative 3x squared plus 42x minus 72. Step 3, let's first derivative of profit function equal to 0 to find the level of production. We will get two levels of production, which is 2 and 12. Step 4, find the second derivative of profit function to exact the unit that maximizes profit. We will get negative 6x plus 42. Last step, using second order condition to know the level of production 2 and 12, which is maximum or minimum or an inflection. Insert 2 and 12 into the second derivative of profit function. We will get positive 30 when the level of production is 2 and negative 30 when the level of production is 12. Positive 30 is greater than 0, that means minimum level, while the negative 30 is less than 0 means that is maximum point. We can write the answer like this. Since second derivative of profit function less than 0 when x equal to 12, which is maximum point. So the level of production that will give a maximum profit for the company is 12. Second question of 1C is find the price per unit to maximize the profit. We know 12 is the level of production that will yield a maximum profit. We can directly insert to profit function and get 1232. To get the price per unit, we must use 1232 divided by 12 and we will get RM 102.67. So price per unit to maximize profit is RM 102.67. Thank you for your listening.